My name's Tom, and live here on Chilton Avenue. We just had the house finished, and the inspector came this morning, and everything cleared and was in good shape. We're happy with the job. What made me reach out to Alex Perez Roofing, like anything, you look online and you go through the different companies. So I saw at first that he was local in the Roseville area, and then I read some of his reviews. Everybody had high praise for him, so I gave him a call and went from there. At first we were just going to get the valleys clean, and they had this new product called Valley Armor, which would prevent the clogging of the valleys. And that's what we were going to go with, but once they started pulling tiles, we saw the extent of the dry rot problem, and so from that point I called Alex and said, I think we need to go a different route, and they agreed with that plan. So they were flexible enough to just stop it at that point, put it back, and schedule a total new roof. Every one of the representatives of his company who I spoke with or interacted with, they're just very good people and easy to work with. And if I had a question, they were happy to answer the question, and so everything was good. The biggest difference I noticed since our roof has been installed was just the appeal of it, the crispness and the sharpness, and actually also the color of it, the shingles. It's very impressive. Just everything is brand new, including the gutters and downspouts, and I think they just did a great job. Yeah, I definitely would recommend Alex and his crew to a neighbor, because they worked with me, like I said, from the very start when we changed. They rescheduled things, and one thing, their inspector who came out first, to inspect the job and kind of give an estimate, I really felt comfortable with that guy. His name was Daniel, and so I had no worries. I felt this guy was going to treat me good and honest, so no, I didn't have any worries at all. Everything worked out in a very timely manner. What they said they were going to do, they got it done, and there was no waiting. It just, everything went smooth once they knew the attack plan. So that's why I would recommend them. And they do great quality work. Everything was pinpoint precision, you might say. So that would be my recommendation.